I wonder whether people making these statements understand what I have said and they understand the meaning of what they are saying. What did I say? I still maintain what I have said is right, and Gram Sabhas are very important part of the functioning of the Panchayati Raj system. Okay, it is a very important thing. But I have said very clearly, and I am saying it again, Gram Sabha does not mean a small motley crowd to decide on behalf of the entire Panchayat area. You know how much population is there roughly in a Panchayat area? Thousands of people. For the thousands of people staying in a Panchayat area of a particular village Panchayat, you mean to say 30-40 people should decide what is the fate of that village, or what is the fate of the entire state? And when you have a small group of 4 or 5 or 6 people going around the entire state and propagating some sort of philosophy which in their mind is something which is fantastic according to them, which is not in the interest of Goa. So is this what they are propagating, and we should accept that? So such, I should say, manipulated opinions in the name of Gram Sabha is something which is certainly wrong and should not be allowed. And I am still saying it again. It is insult to the entire village what people and leaders like Reginald or these people are saying. It is an insult to the collective will of the people of Goa. We know very well it, and we are responsible people in the government. We also wish what is good for Goa and Goans. So where is the question of going against the wishes of the people of Goa? They should understand that.